Oh god. Oh. What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I feel like lately I've been starting every video off with the fact that I'm 40 years old. And today's video is not really gonna be any different. The products I used to be into in my younger days are a little bit different in my 40s, and today's no different. Lexland Gear sent me a grab handle A-pillar replacement because the 4th gen Tacomas don't come with a grab handle on your driver's side for whatever reason, just the passenger side. And getting in and out of this truck, as you've seen in the video where I bust my butt, it's kind of a pain without a handle. I have to use my steering wheel to get in. I really hate yanking on this thing to climb in and out of the truck. When I'm off-roading and the truck's sometimes at an awkward angle or tilt up or down, it's really hard to get in and out of the truck. I have the Trail Hunter rock sliders on this truck, so it's not meant to be a step at all, even though I try to use it, as you see in the video where I slip and fall. And that was actually not on purpose. But we're going to get this put on today. It should be a really simple install. The tools are included. Shouldn't take but a few minutes. Lexland has sent me a few different products. I've tried out their hood struts, and they've been great so far. I've got the retractable bed step. It's been wonderful. So I expect it to be nothing less with this product as well. I'm really liking the company a lot at this point. I've got a discount code. I believe it's 20% off at the moment for code Tacoma Kenny. It's also in my bio, but I'll leave a link in the comments and description for the link to the product itself and their website. That's 20% off anything that they have available on their website. So let's get into the install today. It shouldn't take but a few minutes. All right, so we're gonna see what all comes in this box. We got our little installation toolkit here, some gloves. It looks like a little socket driver, a couple of bolts, and a trim pry removal tool. Looks like they packaged it pretty well. There's a lot of stuffing down in here to keep it protected. This is our new grab handle here. It's just like the passenger side from what I can tell. Just a replica. That's got a nice deep groove there. I don't even feel like the passenger side is that deep. We'll have to check it in a minute and see, but let's get this one off. So the directions say to start with this little cap right here, prying it off first. Pretty easy to do with their little tool. Next, we have the little supplied, looks about like a 10mm little socket driver here that they supplied to get this bolt out. All right, got the one bolt out. Next, we just pry down from the top. They say to be careful of your speaker down here in the bottom. So we'll see. Okay, yeah, you got a short cord here to work with. There's 3 pry tabs here. You just pry them slightly out, and that releases the speaker here, the little tweeter in the corner. I'll show you those. It's just these 3 little tabs. You just pry those to the outside, and the speaker comes right out. Just remember that as you're pulling this out, so you don't accidentally pull your speaker out as well. That should be it for that stock piece. So the next step to get the new one installed is you're going to take this supplied little slip-on nut here, and you add it in right here. That's going to give us a second mounting spot. All right, now we're going to go back in with this new piece. We're going to have to put our tweeter back in. Same way it came out, just slightly push back in through the tabs. So once you got your tweeter pushed back in place there with the 3 clips, I'm just going to slide this back down in here. There's a little hole in the very front corner that a tab goes into. This just tucks in by your airbag here. Pop these off. So we can see our bolt hole locations. So once you've kind of worked this back into place and you can get your bolt holes lined up here, you can put the supplied bolts in. We'll just get our other bolt in here real quick. To finish up the installation, we're just going to put our covers back in place. And now our grab handle's installed, and then we don't have to worry about any more slip and falls. It's got a nice deep groove there to grab onto. Very sturdy. That's not going anywhere, so that's nice. It looks good. I'll show you a little close-up picture of it real quick. So all in all, I'm really happy with the way this turned out. I mean, this is something I'm going to use every single day getting in and out of my truck. I've been wanting this for a while. I'd seen a few people say they had tried one out, so I'm finally glad to get my hands on one. Literally, no pun intended. But like I said, there's a discount code in my bio, or I'll leave it in the description as well, for I think 20% off of anything at Lexland. I mean, this project took 5 or 10 minutes. Wasn't hard to do at all. And it's just going to make daily life a little bit better, just like the bed step or these hood struts or the other stuff I've tried out from Lexland. So happy to finally have this one on there. Just want to shoot a video for you guys to see how easy it is to install and kind of see what kind of quality it was, which I'd say is pretty good. If you find this video useful, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And thanks again for watching, you guys. Y'all have a great day.